Hello, dear students. Today we are going to study how to call the emergency services. Open your books at page 48. Exercise 1. Which of the services would you call for each of these problems? Let's check. You would call the fire service if there was a house fire. You would call the police if there was a burglary. You would call an ambulance if someone was having a heart attack. And if there was boat sinking, you would call Coast Guard. In exercise 2, the sentences are from an emergency call. Which service? What number are you calling from? Where is the fire? Please stay on the line. Which emergency service is the call to? We can guess it is fire service. In the United Kingdom, you dial 999 for all emergencies. What number do you dial in our country? Now let's listen to the dialogue to find out.
Emergencies. Which service?
The fire brigade, please.
What number are you calling from?
012 53 862 473.
Please stay on the line.
Hello? Where is the fire?
There's a fire in the kitchen.
What's the address, please?
12 Fenton Crescent, off the High Street, Blackburn.
The fire and rescue service is on the way. Now get out of the house and close the doors behind you. Don't go back inside until a firefighter tells you it's safe.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
In exercise 3, you are to read the dialogue again and read it out. In exercise 4, you are to try to report the dialogue. Now let's practice pronunciation. Listen and tick. Listen and repeat.
I, oi, line, fly, point, boy, kite, boil, toy, buy.
In exercise 6, you are to imagine you are a witness to an accident. You are to call for an ambulance. Use the dialogue in exercise 2 to help you. Look at the scheme. And now let's speak about volunteering. Open your books at page 49. In exercise 1, you are to read the title of the text, look at the pictures. What do you think the text is about? Before reading the text, let's get acquainted with new words. Listen to them and write down.
Abused, community, conservation, critically endangered, disturb, habitat, pride, primate, raise awareness, refuge, sanctuary, snap, trap.
And now let's listen and read the text to find out.
Volunteering. The Peace River Refuge and Ranch in Florida is a sanctuary. It provides permanent homes for a range of abused and unwanted animals, from big cats such as tigers and leopards to wolves and primates. The sanctuary regularly accepts holiday volunteers who want to help care for and protect these exotic animals. Students in the field of animal conservation learn how to care for wild animals, while other volunteers can help to prepare food for the animals or help with the maintenance of the refuge. The Snow Leopard Fund, SLF, works to save the beautiful snow leopards of the southern Altai Mountains in Kazakhstan. These ghosts of the mountains are a symbol of Kazakhstan's national pride, but they are rarely seen and critically endangered. The SLF operates in Katon-Karagay National Park, where they have 50 photo traps that snap pictures of snow leopards in the wild without disturbing them. Volunteers check the cameras and also raise awareness in local schools and communities about how to conserve the snow leopard and its natural habitat.
Do you think that by volunteering we can help and protect animals? Why or why not? In exercise 2, you are to read the text again and mark the statements as true or false. Say 2 things about each place. Let's check. Number 1. The animals stay for a short time at the Peace River Refuge and Ranch. It is false because according to the text, it provides permanent homes for a range of abused and unwanted animals. The second, at the ranch, only some of the volunteers learn how to care for animals. It is true. In the text, it is said that students in the field of animal conservation learn how to care for wild animals, while other volunteers can help to prepare food for the animals or help with the maintenance of the refuge. Number 3. Snow leopards are difficult to spot in Kazakhstan. It is true, because in the text it is said that they are rarely seen. The fourth, the snow leopard farm catches snow leopards in traps. It is false. It is said that they have 50 photo traps that snap pictures of snow leopard in the wild without disturbing them. And the last, volunteers try to increase people's understanding on the importance of protecting the snow leopard. It is true. In the last sentence of the text, there is volunteers check the cameras and also raise awareness in local schools and communities about how to conserve the snow leopard and its natural habitat. In exercise 3, you are to match the words or phrases to their synonyms. What part of speech is each? Let's check. To look after means to care for. Unusual, exotic. Studying in the field of. Ill-treated, abused. Protect, conserve. Seriously, critically. Works, operates. Continuous, permanent. And now let's define the part of speech. To look after, phrasal verb. Unusual, adjective. Studying, phrase. Ill-treated, adjective. Protect, verb. Seriously, adverb. Works, verb. Continuous, adjective. And your task is exercise 4. Research a place in our country or another country where people can spend their holidays and help protect wildlife as well. Make notes, then write a short text about it. You are to write name, place, what people can do there.